Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start with simple checks to save time and avoid unnecessary fixes. Restart your Chromebook by clicking power, then restart to refresh system processes. While it reboots, unplug any external mice or USB devices to rule out conflicts. Open Settings, choose Device, then Touchpad to ensure the touchpad is enabled and sensitivity is not set to minimum. Try enabling or disabling tap-to-click to see a change. If an external USB or Bluetooth mouse works, the problem is likely hardware-related. If the touchpad still fails, check software sources for the issue. Open Settings, go to About Chrome OS, and select Check for updates to apply any pending patches. If updates do not resolve it, perform a hard reset to reset hardware controllers. Shut down, then hold the refresh key and press power, releasing refresh when the device starts. Disable third-party extensions temporarily to test for conflicts. Finally, create a new user or guest session to confirm whether your profile settings are causing the problem. When software steps fail, move to hardware troubleshooting carefully. Power down and inspect the touchpad perimeter for debris or sticky residue, then clean gently with compressed air and a soft lint-free cloth. Boot into guest mode to test the touchpad without your profile loaded. If the touchpad remains unresponsive, the cable or sensor may be damaged, and you should consider professional repair or part replacement. Back up your data first. As a last resort, perform a power wash to factory, reset the Chromebook, and restore default hardware.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.